Upanishads are describing that. That at the beginning, only Krishna was there. And then Krishna expanded himself. From Krishna, expansions took place. So Krishna's pleasure potency. Pleasure potency means the potency through which Krishna experiences joy. The potency through which Krishna enjoys. That is also Krishna, non-different from Krishna. Krishna's pleasure potency is Krishna himself. Like Shakti and Shaktiman. So your Shakti, is it different from you? Like you have Shakti, you can lift something. That is your strength, your power, your Shakti. Is it your or somebody else's? Is it separate from you? No. But as Shakti, it is separate, it is different. So Krishna's Shakti became different from Krishna, and that pleasure potency is Srimati Radha. Whatever Krishna's enjoyment is through this pleasure potency. Whenever Krishna wants to enjoy, whatever Krishna wants to enjoy. Now, Krishna's highest enjoyment is with Radharani. And that pleasure potency and Krishna himself, are they one or two? They can be separate also. When they're separated, deho bhedam gatauto, they became two. That is Radha and Krishna. But when they're one, that is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanyakham Prakatamatu. Now the question is, at the beginning, they were two or they were one? We can't figure out. These are the problems of understanding the spiritual reality. So we simply have to accept it. There is, just consider, like how complex spiritual understanding is. It's inconceivable. Inconceivable means cannot be understood. Conception means understanding. Conceivable means that can be understood. And inconceivable means that cannot be understood. It cannot be understood. Like for example, was the chicken first or the egg first? Can anybody solve that problem? You may say, well, chicken was first, otherwise the egg would come. Now the question is, how did the chicken come if there was no egg? So that is the inconceivable aspect of spiritual reality. But we have to understand, as it says, deho bhedam gatuto, bhubi pura, in the past. They became deho bhedam. Deho means body and bhedam means separate. Two different bodies. Krishna became two bodies. Can Krishna expand? Krishna can expand. Krishna is not limited like us. Krishna can expand. And Krishna's expansion is he himself, Shaktiman and his Shakti.